In 2025, I will have 100,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. In 2025, I will have 100,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. In 2025, I will have 100,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Good morning, everybody. Just hitting you with a morning manifestation that I'm going to be saying every single morning for the rest of this year, going all the way into 2025 and all the way until the end of 2025, because manifestation really works, and that is the goal that I've set for myself for the next year. So I just left the gym. I had a great workout, and I hope you guys get active today. You know, I have a lot of goals and manifestations for this coming year, and I'm going to achieve them all. I know that. Good morning, everyone. It's the Passport Barber. I am working towards passive income, financial freedom, traveling the world, cutting hair for fun again, because it started as a passion. It's turned into a job, and I want to spark that passion back again. Two of my passions are traveling the world and cutting hair. I do love doing both, but the cutting hair part has become more of a job and more of a hassle than anything. The spark to do it has really decreased a lot, and I really want to get back to loving it again. So I am creating other ways to make money so that when I do hair, I do it for fun, I do it for love, I do it for art, and I do it to teach. So, getting into this haircut today, we are doing a Mohawk haircut on one of my clients, and we're doing skin on the sides, nothing off the top, and we're going to clean up the beard as well. After balding the bottom and removing a lot of the weight, we are going to go ahead and begin our fade and do what we usually do. We use the blade to go up and create a new line, and we use the corner of the blade to blend it between the lines. So we are doing a skin fade on the bottom with our electric shaver, and we're fading up to about a 1.5, 2-ish towards the top, and then just freehand the rest. And we're going to do that in a mohawk form. If you guys are having trouble on making sure the mohawk is even on both sides, with how high or how low the fade is, create your line first on both sides and then start the fade. I've been doing this a while, so I don't really need to as often, I guess, depending on if it's a new client or not. But this is a client that I've been cutting for a long time, so I'm pretty used to his hair and everything, and head shape and all that kind of stuff. But if you guys are having trouble making sure the lines are even on both sides, just create your lines on both sides before just creating your line on one side and just finishing the fade on one side. So then it'll give you a better idea of where to start and where it's going to finish on both sides of the fade. You know, it's the holiday season. My client also has a professional job, you know, needs to look right. So had to get his haircut before he got fired, you know what I mean? And also, you know, the holiday times, seeing family and friends and all that good stuff. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a busy time for us at the barbershop. I'm really excited to make all this money and see everybody and yeah, keep pushing until I get some time off for myself. When fading the beard, honestly, I recommend, you know, taking down the length first of whatever length they want it down to. And then after you do that, then you work on the taper on the sides. Because obviously, you know, it's a skin fade, so I'm going to have to fade in those sideburns going into the beard right there. So after you take down the desired length, you want to go ahead and just try to fade in the sideburn into the skin area first, that tip of the beard. And then after you do that, then kind of work on fading in the rest of it. So, you know, you're going to use like a half or a 0 at that top, fading it in, and then you go on to your like bigger guards with your 1.5, stuff like that. I don't know, that seems to have always worked better for me rather than starting with the bigger guards fading down. A little bit better on the beard when you're fading from the smaller guard or no guard fading up. if any of you have any new goals going into the new year, I highly recommend manifestation. Manifestation is more than just saying it every day. You need to truly believe it. You need to see yourself at that goal that you are trying to achieve and possibly even further than that goal. So let's say you're a new barber and your goal is to get booked out every day. You start working towards that goal every single day and you start speaking it, you start writing it, you see it, you believe it, you know that you can achieve it, okay? Manifestation is more than just saying it out loud. It comes from within. You really need to truly believe it. It has worked for me in the past. I am a big believer in manifestation. Even through my rough patches in life, even when I feel like manifestation isn't working sometimes, you just gotta believe, you gotta understand it is working, and you need to also do your part. Other than believing in yourself and believing it, you need to also be working towards that goal every day, even if it's super little, because before you know it, your manifestation is actually forming to become real, and it's all because that you saw yourself at that point. You saw yourself accomplishing that goal. So I highly recommend manifesting every day on whatever goal it is that you see yourself doing for 2025. Work towards it every single day, speak it into existence every day, every single day. Truly believe it, and I promise you will get there. And for the people that don't believe in manifestation or do not believe it's real, I'm going to be your living proof that it is real. Every day I'm manifesting that I will have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube Shorts. I'm manifesting that I will have 100,000 subscribers on my channel before the end of 2025. I'm going to work towards it every single day. I'm going to be putting in the work. I'm going to be manifesting it. I can see myself with 100,000 subscribers. I also can see what 100,000 subscribers on my channel will do for me financially and for the other dreams that I have. So, if you guys are not believers, watch this channel every day for the rest of 2025, because I will end it with 100,000 subscribers or more, and my manifestation will have become real. On top of that, it will help me achieve the other goals that I've been wanting to achieve, like financial freedom, like traveling the world, like more investments, like living the life that I dream to live. This was a Mohawk skin fade haircut, fade into the beard, super clean, light enhancements. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep pushing towards those dreams, and I'll see you on the next video.